a deep breath and enjoy this moment as we both pray for this. I thought to sing while walking down the aisle, but too bad my voice is not in agreement. Which is a step towards you. My heart breaks with gratitude. The challenges we conquered to the Lord long before this day. I walk down this aisle with a grateful heart, and let's cherish and celebrate this love, embracing the future with gratitude in every step we take together. And by the grace of God, this is it, baby. It's finally happening because He knows this moment was destined to be.
Cause you know